What is up, everyone? Thank you for checking out this video. So today I wanted to go over my photo book that I ordered through Blurb. So first things first, if you would like $15 off your first purchase on Blurb, use the link below and this will give you $15 off your $30 book, okay? And now into my book. So this book is 13 by 11. It is the biggest size, I believe, that you can get for a photo book. It is a hardcover. Okay, with an image wrap, but I just used white on the back. And this is a school project that I did, and I thought I'd give you guys a little review about the process and the quality of it. So I did order a book before this. It was a soft cover, and it turned out pretty good. I had very vibrant landscape photos, and some photos were a little off. This time, these are all black and white, and I couldn't be happier. Okay, so this was done in Lightroom. Lightroom has integrated Blurb into it to make it easier for you for templates and stuff, and this was all done through Lightroom, which I thought was a big plus. So here's the cover of it, okay, and here's the thickness of it. I have 58 pages, not too thick, so here's a pack of cards right here. And if you look, it's not too thick. So, yeah, I paid about $130 for this book, okay? So, let's open it up here. And right here you have the mid-gray paper. And for the paper quality, I did choose Proline Uncoated. So this is more of a matte feel, but not too much matte, if that makes sense. So a little title page here. Here's the artist statement, and the text. A lot of people ask about the text. The text is very sharp. It is not blurry or unreadable, but it is very sharp, and it stands out really nice. And acknowledgements. And we also had to do a forward, and my forward is from the mayor of the city I live in. Okay, and so now this is when we start getting into the photos. Now for me, I believe these black and white photos turned out amazing. My professor was talking about how last year or 2 years ago that they came out very bad, or they just weren't looking right. But this year I think they definitely did a great job on it. And I couldn't be happier with these photos and how they turned out in this book. And like I said, the paper is very nice. It's a heavy paper. Again, it's more matte than anything else. And I just think it turned out amazing. A little backstory about this project is that I wanted to shed light onto the police department in my local community, showing that not all police forces and officers are not bad. So this just gave a little insight about what they do and how they protect us. And it took about a month and a half, basically, to document them. I went on about 6 ride-alongs. Okay, so it's just documenting that. If you guys are interested in purchasing a book, the link will be below, and you can purchase it through Blurb. And then a little about page, and then you have the opportunity to remove the Blurb logo. It's $7.99, I believe. I can check on that. And again, a mid-gray flap. And then you got the back cover with the spine also with the name and the title. So I mean, yeah, if you guys are looking for affordable, nice quality books that you can make in Lightroom or even online, they have their own templates. I highly recommend Blurb. Like I said before, get $15 off your $30 purchase with the link below. And also look at my book. If you want, purchase it. That'd be really great. And yeah, I highly recommend them. And please check out my website, HeellerPhotography.com. Check out my Instagram, @NickHeller. And thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any ideas of new videos to make, please let me know down below. If you have any questions about anything about photography or this book or their website, please comment below. I will answer every single one. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.